Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to go over the outline function, which is a built-in function of Microsoft Word. And what you need to do is have a document that you've written. It could be a proposal, like a grant proposal, a report, or a manuscript, or even just a general white paper that you're creating. And we always want to make sure our writing is clear. So this is a way to look at that. If I open up the document that I've written, it could be 100% complete or mostly complete, in case you want to look at it process. And the first thing I want to do is go to my View tab located at the top, and after I click on my View tab, I have this option here called Outline, and it's located in the upper left hand area of my tab. So I click on that, and what it does is it creates or essentially converts my document into a basic outline. Now let me go over these basic options I have here for the outlining, and it shows show levels, and if I click down I have all these different levels I can choose from. It should be currently all levels, but let's say I choose one, and as you can see a lot of information goes away. So I always prefer the all levels. You can experiment with what works best for how you've set up your document. The next option I have is show text formatting, and all that does is removes special formatting, because in here you can see I have introduction, it's slightly larger and it's bold, and then survey development is slightly smaller size font and it's bold but it's italicized. So if I uncheck that, all of that goes away, so it might be a little bit harder to look at and identify. So I make sure mine are checked for me to review, and then you can have this option called show first line only. So if it's unchecked, I will see then all of the sentences in each of the paragraph, and each paragraph is denoted, as well as each section, by this little icon to the left. And the icon is going to look different depending on which version of Microsoft Word you have. Because I just want to look at the structure and analyze just my argument and make sure that it flows in a logical way. The easiest way to do that is show first line only, so I check that. So this is just giving you essentially the topic sentence of each one of your paragraphs. And what makes it easier by viewing it in this way is it cuts out all the other information. And when you go through and read topic sentences in order, it should be a natural progression and really make outlined what your argument is in a good flow. So this is just a really good way to analyze whatever document you're working on for clarity of your argument. When you're all done with that, it's really easy. Then I just go on and close the outline view. I click on there and it converts my document back. One other quick little thing I'd like to show you. So I'm going to go back to the view option, and I'm going to go to outline, and when I do that, if there is a way that I see it would be in better order, I can click on the little icon to the left and I can drag it down, and that moves paragraph down. Remember, all I have to do is close outline view, and when I do that, then I go back to my regular document. So thank you for joining me today and checking out the outline function. This is very useful for analyzing your own papers that you write.